quiet corner of a cafe where Sabir, Anisa, and Sanya have agreed to meet to discuss the complexities of their intertwined relationships.
I never imagined we'd be sitting here like this. Sabir, how could you keep something so important from me? How could you let me believe we had a future?
Anissa, I never wanted to hurt you. Believe me, I never planned for things to turn out this way. My engagement to Sonia was arranged long before we even met online. I didn't know how to tell you.
Anissa, I had no idea about your relationship with Sabir until recently. I didn't want to come between the two of you, but this engagement, it's something our families have been planning for years. It's not just about us.
But what about us, Sabir? What we had? It wasn't just some fleeting connection. You made me believe that we could build something together, that our shared passion meant something more.
It does mean something, Anissa. You mean something to me. But I'm caught between my duty to my family and my feelings for you. I wish I could change things, but I can't.
Anissa, I don't want to see you hurt. If there were another way, I'd support it. But Sabir is bound by his promises to our families. This situation isn't fair to any of us.
I don't know if I can ever forgive either of you for this. Sabir, you should have told me from the start. I would have understood maybe. But now all I feel is betrayal.
I'm so sorry, Anissa. I never wanted it to end like this.
Goodbye, Sabir, Sanya. I hope you both find what you're looking for. But as for me, I'll have to find a way to move on.
I truly hope you find peace, Anissa.